Everybody, this is Brian back with the Fantom update. You can see the chart on here. This is on the 4 hour. Going to dig into this some more. You can see we hit our price targets that we had up there yesterday. We ended up coming up into this zone, and we're going to dig into this a little bit more here as soon as I show you some pretty exciting news going on here, especially with Bitcoin. Got some really exciting stuff going. Crypto rallies into the weekend. Bitcoin posts its best week since early 2021. It says here that cryptocurrencies resumed their rally on Friday, climbing above the 26,000 for the second time this week. I think they meant to say Bitcoin has resumed its rally, but it says Bitcoin ended higher by 7.46% at $26,868, according to Coinmetrics. It posted a weekly gain of 34% in its best week since 2021, January of 2021, which was right before the first bull run that year. That's pretty exciting. 34% in a week. That's a big gain for Bitcoin. Like it says here, it hasn't made a move since 2021, and January of 2021, a move like that, and it was right before the first bull run that year. I'm not saying we're in a bull market or bull run, but I do believe we're in a bull stage of the market. Would have to do a lot more to convince me we're in a bull run. The crypto wallet prototype discovered inside Microsoft Edge browser. The unreleased feature suggests the tech giant is considering a deeper move into Web3. It says here, according to screenshots shared on Twitter by Albacore, a pseudonym software researcher from Central Europe, Microsoft has added code that would integrate a non-custodial crypto wallet into the company's default Edge browser. How exciting is that? So, the Fear and Greed Index, the market cap is actually, we're still up for the day, even though we're having a corrective move. We're still up 1.18%. Volume is up. Looks like some buyers coming in there, 86.7%. Bitcoin dominance is down 0.53%, and we are in greed at a 64. This is the market cap for all of crypto, $1,186,000,000,000. So here's your biggest gainers and losers here. Mask Network is up almost 35%. Fantom is number 6 on here still. And there's your trending coins on the left. Not a lot of red there. No big red is what I should say. I just think we're in a small correction today. Nothing out of the ordinary at all. But you can see, like I said earlier when we started this video, we hit them price targets that we had up there yesterday. Looks like maybe that fifth wave has come in. Bitcoin actually hit its targets that we had for it too. Just touched it, but I think it might have another leg up here too. You can see that 5 wave. This is Bitcoin on the 4 hour. And the reason that we were shooting for these targets for Bitcoin was all this open air here. There's just from 25.3 roughly the whole way up to the middle 28,000s. There's just no resistance through here, so it's pretty much wide open, and it took advantage of that. I mean, it just touched the bottom of the price targets we put in there, and we're going to put this on the 4 hour. This is Bitcoin, and like I said, it looks like maybe it has done this 5 wave up and is whoops, sorry about that. Let me get that off there and redo that for you. Apologize, sometimes this mouse can be a little tricky. 3, 4, and I still see this thing coming up a little bit more, but we'll see if it does. And this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but please do your own research on stuff like that. But let's get back to this Fantom chart. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, please do. We go over these coins every day. We like to go over a few different coins. Not most people hold more than one cryptocurrency. I like to cover a few of them. I cover maybe 10, maybe a few more than that coins. So please hit subscribe on the channel. We would love to have you here every day, and we're gonna dig a little deeper on this chart here. Let's get a look here. This 5 wave up for Fantom. 2, third wave's always your longest. 4th is your biggest pullback. 5. I mean, this thing could have finished up right here, and we could be in a corrective move. What I believe is going on is this 4 hour RSI is overextended. I believe the 1 is at the bottom. Yeah, it's getting there. I believe them two need to reset before we do another leg up here, which is totally normal. You can see this trend line we're forming. We're still way away from that trend line. It could come back and still ride that trend line for, a day or so. But I believe this is Saturday in the eastern United States. I believe late tonight, tomorrow, we're going to be in the green again, I would imagine. Not a genie or whatever you call them, but you can see the market's just doing a cool down here. Let's put a Fibonacci on this. This recent move, we made it up to the 702 Fibonacci line. So we need to get through that. The 702 and 786. The 702 is a familiar area for an ABC correction, and the 618, if you get rejected there, a lot of times a coin will make up its mind there if it's going higher or not. But a 618 is a familiar pullback zone. You can see up here on this move, this top move up here, we actually made it up to that 786 and then got rejected right up here. You can see we came down, came up to the 786, got rejected hard actually, and looks like we're making another run here at that. So we'll check in with these prices tomorrow, guys. Please hit that subscribe button, and we have bigger targets up here in mind. Totally believe we're still in a bull trend here, so please hit that subscribe button. Would love to have you here. I'll see you guys tomorrow.